Hello, I'm Dr. Kimberly, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about cupping therapy. There are multiple types of cupping. There's glass cups that use fire cupping, silicone cups that use squeeze cupping, and then the suction kind of cups, like the pumping cups. So those are the three types of cupping that we use here at Holistic Healthcare Centers in Lisle, Illinois. I'm going to first show the pumping cupping. We would set it, and as I pump, it creates a suction. And then it stays there for as long as the provider suggests that it stays there. And then to take off the pumping cup, it comes right off. Next is the silicone pump or silicone suction cups. The provider would likely put some lotion on, and then we squeeze the cup on. So you can... Lastly is the fire cupping. That's my favorite cupping. So we put 91% rubbing alcohol, and this should only be done by somebody trained and certified or licensed or whatever their training is in cupping. This can be very dangerous if you do not know what you're doing and you're not fully trained. So as a doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine, I'm fully trained and equipped to do fire cupping. So I'm going to put a couple cups on here. And actually, I'm going to grab a few more. Let's give Lisa a good treatment. Go. So, tap this in. And after I place them, I will zoom in here. All right, so let's take a look at that close up. You can see these cups creating this nice red, as we say in acupuncture, sha. The color that it brings up is very indicative of what's going on. So this red color shows us that there's some inflammation, that the low back pain that she's having is likely caused by some inflammation due to heat. If it was more of a purple or bluish color, we'd say that was pain due to stagnation or wind cold bee. So it's all different types of diagnoses in Chinese medicine. We do not have just a specific low back cupping. As we can see, they're nice and tight. I'm going to go ahead and take off the cups. Lisa, now is this painful? Does it hurt? Tell me a little bit about your experience.
It doesn't hurt. It feels like there's a little bit of tightness, but no pain. Just a little tightness.
Ooh, let's see if you look like a nice pepperoni pizza. All right, so I'm gonna zoom on in here and we can see what the effects look like with cupping. They're not terrible on the low back. The mid back's a little bit more, but not awful. And it's probably because she works at Holistic Healthcare Centers and gets to get those nice cupping marks. Lisa doesn't have an extreme amount. This one's pretty tight. They're pretty red here. So she probably has more mid-back discomfort than low back. And we can see on this mark, the sha is a combination. So we've got purple in the center. That's that stagnation. Think about it, circulation not moving as well. And redness on the outside, that's the inflammation. So this would be a combination of heat and stagnation creating the pain in a TCM standpoint. Down here, these aren't too bad at all. A little bit of purple marking, a little bit of red and purple. So overall, her cupping marks show that there's definitely heat, inflammation, with some blood stagnation showing there, and some chi stagnation between the purple and the bluish marking. Thank you for watching our cupping video. Be sure to subscribe, comment, like if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.